I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Hey, look what we're gonna do up today, huh? And my little mystery item that I picked up at the flea market for 50 cents. Tack Hill says it's an diffuser to diffuse like scented oil or whatever into the air. Has a little glass tube that fits in there and dispenses the fragrance up through reeds. Check this out. This is pretty cool too. This is the Nathan 4071 fire steel ferro rod that Tack Hill made for me. Hand carved the handle, wood burned it, and even put a piece of turquoise in. And I carried this stuff, well, I haven't carried it really. I've used it a bunch though here. I've seen it in a lot of my videos. But check out this leather that I found. And I haven't finished it yet, but I haven't exactly even got my design completely all in order. But this is going to make the sheath for my ferro rod. Isn't that cool? Look, kind of reminded me of the turquoise. Gotta get out of that light. Anyway, oh shoot, there we go. All right, so this is my little pan that I found at my first Christmas adventure. I think it was $1. So I got my dollar pan. I got my 50-cent diffuser that I'm going to try out as an alcohol stove. As you can see, I've already tried burning it and it works pretty cool. Got my alcohol, fuel, and we're going to fry up some bacon. And let me tell you, this bacon, oh shoot, I forget what the, I'm going to need to move around here. This is some of the best bacon imaginable. Organic. I got it last year when I signed up for, it was a meat subscription. You could pick out the meat. And I'm telling you, they had the best meat I think I've ever tasted. But of course, as some of you know who've seen my other video, I did not get to have a lot of solid foods last year. So, yeah, I didn't get to try this out until just a little while ago. But anyway, so let me get this set up and we'll throw some bacon on and see how it works. And then I will share another little gardening, I don't know, tip, trick, whatever I'm going to try this year. All right, be back shortly. It's pretty good. All right, let's fire it up with the ferro rod from Tack Hill. Woo! One strike, baby. One strike. Fits pretty good. See there? See our little flame? I guess I'm hoping you can see it a little bit. Okay, now I want to show you something else. Now this is usually what I collect and save over the winter, because what I do with these is they make miniature like greenhouses for starting my plants in. You know, you put them in there, and like this one here, I can turn upside down. It gives a little more grow height. You know, there's these, and they have the little holes in them. I don't know if you can see them. But that kind of lets air through. And of course, like blueberries came in this one. This one was, whoops. And, you know, salad came in this one. And this is a take-home from a restaurant, and it works really well. It's got the little vent holes as well. And those are great for starting plants in, which I'll be doing here real shortly, probably in another week or two, I would imagine. But I've been drinking some of these Powerades this past summer. And as I was sitting and staring at one, I kind of had this idea. And so what I did, let's see if I can show you. This is what it started out as, like, of course. But then, hold on. What I did was I cut it down. I cut it down to the very bottom little section. You can see on there, identify with. And then I actually just took out one of the ribs and left only two, because there's actually 3 ribs on here. 1, 2, 3. And I cut one whole rib off. I guess you wouldn't have to, but anyway, it snaps down on there. And my plan is to try to start some plants in here. And what I think is really going to be cool, it has a little elevated bottom. And also, this top I can take off to water, and as well as to like vent or air, let air in. So that's just one of my things I'm going to be trying out this spring. I thought I would show that to you just for the share. All right, back to my bacon. It is cooking up fabtabulously. Oh my. Maybe I should have been tending it a little better, huh? Look at her. Yeah. Hold on. Little handle do get hot. Yes, it do. But boy, it's a cooking. It is a cooking. It's a frying her up. So, I have to get me a, oh shoot, can you smell it? I'm gonna have to get my pot holder out here again. Yeah, well, we got a flame in there now. Whew. And it's Butcher Box, by the way. That's the name of the meat subscription place that this came from. Quality meats, for sure. Yeah, 2 big slices of bacon cooked up in there. One in here is looking pretty good. I need to get it out. Look at that. Can you smell it? Maybe we'll go for a little egg with it. This is actually a honey butter knife, or jam spreader, or whatever, spreader knife, given to me and hand carved by James over at Old School Modern Twist and Leather Crafting and more. And I'm going to use it to flip my egg. Turning out deliciously, if you ask me. Yeah, kind of tough to flip in a little tiny pan, but hey, it's not impossible. I just need more practice.